Oscar might get hit. Emma's trying to stop him.
You better take a video. Ow! Are you taking a video?
Yeah!
Daddy, look out.
Whoa!
Oh! So close to the tree.
Hey, let's stay on this side. Let's not go across that driveway.
I think she's going with Oscar because Oscar won't stop.
Oh.
Oscar's not listening.
Get set, and go. Right
That would be such a cute picture of him sitting in the bushes with his scooter right next to him.